said, Chef, I'm here. I had a long nap, and I'm just waking up. I slept good, and I'm getting ready to cook me some eggs and bacon. And I got me a clean haircut. Yeah, I've been brushing it good. And me mustache, I just trimmed it. Doing good. And for my boys and girls, I like to say, peekaboo, yay! Peekaboo, yay! All right, boys and girls, I'm getting note that I have to go in the kitchen right now. So let's go in the kitchen. I'm a little thirsty. Gonna take me a little sip of some drink. Excuse me, boys and girls. I'm a little thirsty some more. That was good. Oh yeah, boys and girls. Well, how y'all been doing? Wave to y'all. I'm getting note that I have to go make me some eggs and bacon. I'm getting word that I have to go back up here and have to wipe my mouth. Okay, boys and girls. Well. Okay. All right, boys and girls. I see what we're gonna do. I'm getting there. I have to go do something over here. Okay. I'm looking for eggs and bacon, but there's no eggs and bacon here. So, boys and girls, I just want to say hi and like and subscribe to Chef. And I love you all. And peace out.
Peace, guys.